Application.
Oh, okay. It's video.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is a stripless wax. So it's basically a wax without strips.
Thank you.
You put it on your mustache. You put it on your mustache like this. See? But if you have a beard on your
Wow.
eyebrow, you put it on that. You look like you have like gum stuck on your.
Okay. Cool.
Runny nose.
Goobers.
So you just wait for it until it basically dries, which it only takes seconds,
Okay.
and then you just go to the edge,
Oh, I got it.
peel it up. Got it?
Okay. Yeah.
Peel it off a little bit, and then wham!
Wow! It comes out.
Oh my god!
That's so cool. And now, look at the hairs on there. Ooh, look at the hairs. Ooh. And now we're gonna do the same thing on
Got a big
Maya's
mustache.
eyebrow.
Here. So now we've got the wax right here.
Yeah.
We peel off the side. I can see Maya's a little scared, but it's okay. Oh my god.
Oh, that's hilarious. Wait, let's see the hair on there.
Oh my god. There must be
Oh,
like 10 million.
look at the hairs.
Look. Oh god.
Oh.
Yeah.
How was the experience for you, Maya?
I want them back. Too late, honey.